Want to build a stunning WordPress website without any coding? In this step-by-step GreenGeeks WordPress tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to launch your website using GreenGeeks web hosting, from picking a template to customizing it with Elementor's drag-and-drop builder. Whether you're starting a blog, business site, or online portfolio, you'll learn how to create a professional-looking WordPress website quickly and easily. Let's dive in and get your site live today. The first thing you want to do to build a WordPress website with GreenGeeks is to click the link in the description below so that you can be taken to GreenGeeks and so you can take advantage of the GreenGeeks discount. You get GreenGeeks web hosting for as low as $2.95 a month plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from GreenGeeks at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome GreenGeeks discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll land on the GreenGeeks web hosting page. Go ahead and click the View Plans button. You'll see 3 hosting options: Lite, Pro, and Premium. All 3 plans include some fantastic features like a free domain, free SSL certificate, daily backups, 24/7 customer support, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and an eco-friendly touch with 300% green energy match and one tree planted with every plan. Here's a quick breakdown. Lite plan, perfect for beginners or anyone building just one website. The plan comes with 1 website, standard performance, 50 email accounts, and 50 gigabytes of web space. Pro plan, a great choice for growing websites or if you need more flexibility. This plan comes with unlimited websites, unlimited email accounts, unlimited web space, enhanced performance, on-demand backups, WordPress repair tool, which secures WordPress core files, updates WordPress, themes and plugins, optimizes your database, resets admin passwords, restores default config files, and more. Premium plan, built for performance and scalability, with everything in the Pro plan, plus free dedicated IP address, Alpha SSL certificate with a site security badge, and $10,000 limited warranty. Object caching with Memcached and Redis for faster load times. The dedicated IP means your site won't share an IP with others, which can enhance security and email deliverability. And while all plans come with a free Let's Encrypt SSL, the premium plan upgrades you to Alpha SSL for even stronger trust and protection. Lastly, object caching. Help speed up your site by saving database query results so your site loads faster without reloading the same data over and over. Once you've chosen the plan that works best for you, go ahead and click the Get Started button. For this tutorial, I'm going with the Lite plan. You'll now land on the domain setup page where you can register a new domain or use one you already own. If you're registering a new domain, it's completely free when you select an annual hosting plan. Just type in the name you want, then use the drop-down next to it to pick your desired domain extension like .com, .net, or .org. Already have a domain from another register? No problem. Just enter it in the box on the right. Once you've entered your domain, click the Next button to continue. Now you're on the Account Creation page. Fill in your details, then scroll to the Account Plan section. Here you can choose your billing term. Tip: the 12-month plan gives you the best pricing and includes a free domain. You can also change your server location. Just click the Change Location button and pick what's best for your audience. In the Essential Add-ons section, you'll notice domain locking and total DNS control are included for free. If you register a domain with GreenGeeks, you'll also see ID Protect, who is privacy. Here's why that's important. When you register a domain, your personal info like name, phone, and email gets added to the public whois database unless you use domain privacy. This feature replaces your info with GreenGeeks default contact, protecting you from spammers, scammers, and unwanted calls. I highly recommend keeping this enabled, but you can uncheck it if you prefer. Scroll back up to the Review Your Total. You'll see the free domain discount applied if you chose an annual plan, and the overall savings will be clearly listed. Once everything looks good, scroll down, enter your payment information, and click Create Account. That's it. You've officially signed up for GreenGeeks web hosting. You'll receive a confirmation email and receipt along with your login details to access the GreenGeeks dashboard, and from there, we'll start building your WordPress website. You'll see the GreenGeeks Quick Launch wizard. You'll see the options where you can start a new website, migrate a website, start a site, and skip this. I'll choose to skip this as I'm going to be going over how to create your site in this tutorial. I'm here in the GreenGeeks dashboard. You can get to this by clicking Dashboard in the left side menu. If you click the Manage button, this is where you can manage your hosting account. You'll see your GreenGeeks name servers listed here in case you need them. I'll click the Dashboard button in the left side menu. We now want to install and set up WordPress so we can begin building a WordPress website with GreenGeeks Web Hosting. Click the cPanel button. You'll now be taken to the GreenGeeks cPanel page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to the Softaculous Apps Installer. You'll see WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click this. You'll see the Install button. Click this. You'll now be on the WordPress setup page. Where you see the Choose a Protocol, it'll be set to HTTPS. Keep this selected. Next, choose a domain that you want to have for the WordPress installation. Next, put in the site name, site description. Over to the right, put in the admin username, which will be the username for logging into WordPress. Put in a password and an email address. Scroll down and you can select and unselect any plugins you'd like to have. I recommend keeping the Lightspeed Cache plugin selected as this will speed up your site. Over to the right, you'll see extended settings. You can choose to select plugins theme sets. I'm not going to select anything. You'll see you can change the language of WordPress if you'd like. Next, if you click Advanced Options, there are selections you can select if you'd like. I'm going to keep these as they are. You can put in an email address for the WordPress installation details to be sent to. Click the Install button. WordPress is now being installed. It'll just take a few minutes. Once it is done installing, you'll see congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Click the administrative URL to go to the WordPress dashboard. Something to note, I would bookmark the administrative URL as this is the easiest way to log into WordPress to begin creating your site. To log into WordPress, just enter your domain name with a /wp-admin, just like you see here. This will take you to the WordPress login page for your site. Once logged in, you'll be in the WordPress dashboard. Now we want to pick out a theme to begin creating a site. To pick out a theme for your site, find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes is where you can pick out a theme for your site. Next, click Add New Theme. You'll now see WordPress themes that you can choose from. There are thousands of free themes to choose from. Now I want to show you how to access free professionally designed WordPress themes and how to edit them easily with the drag and drop editor. Type in Astra in the search field. Click the Install button. Then click the Activate button. Once it is done activating the theme, you want to find the Plugins tab in the side menu. Click Add Plugin. In the search field, type in Starter Templates. You want to click Install on it, then click Activate. Once it's done activating the plugin, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over the Appearance tab in the side menu. Click on Starter Templates. You'll see how you'd like to build your website. I'll select the classic Starter Templates. Click the Build with Templates button. Choose Elementor for the page builder. If you ever see something other than Elementor showing up at the top, just click from the drop-down and select Elementor. It'll now showcase a bunch of WordPress themes you can build your site with using drag and drop. You can type in the type of website you want to create to pull up templates based on that. You'll see a bunch of categories you can hover over and select to build your site. If you click a theme, it'll show you what it will look like so you can preview it. Click the X button to go back to the themes page. Something I want to mention, any of the templates, no matter the category and what they are called, can be used for your website. You can easily change it and edit the templates to what you'd like when creating your WordPress site. Just find a template you like and then you can start making it your own no matter what category the template is in. Select the theme you want. I'll select this theme here called Outdoor Adventure. You can upload a logo if you'd like. You can do this at a later time, so if you don't have one now, no worries. I cover this later in the video. You can now choose the font and colors for your site. You can update these at a later time or change them whenever you'd like. I cover this later in the video. Click the Continue button. You'll now be on the Select Features page. Feel free to select any features you want. I'll click skip this step. You now be only tell us a little about yourself page. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to. Just make sure under advanced options you have each one selected. Click the submit and build my website button and to begin building your website. Once it is done, you'll be on the congratulations page. Click the view your website button. It'll now take you to your website and what it looks like. To make edits to your site, click the Edit with Elementor tab at the top of the page. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can easily make changes to your site. You can click on something and then put in the text you want. If you click Style, you can make changes to the style. You can click on something and move things around. If you click the plus icon here at the top left of the page, you can easily drag stuff over from the left into the page where you want it. You can click an image to put in your own image. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page to the drag widget section, click the starter templates icon. Click blocks in the menu. You can then choose from lots of block templates that you can add to your site. I'll click one. I'll click the import block button. It's now been added to the page. To change the background color of a section, right click in the top section. Click edit section, click style. Where you see color, click into this to change the color to what you'd like. If you want to change a background image for a section, right click in this top section. Click edit container, click style. You'll see the image here. Click into it and you can upload an image or choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. Next, click background overlay, click into color. You can change the background color. Where you see opacity, you can drag this over to get it how you like. To edit the contact form shown here on the Contact Us page, from the WordPress dashboard, click on WP Forms. Hover over the Contact Us form showing here. Click Edit underneath it. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can make edits to your contact form. If you want to make edits to the menu on your site, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance and click Menus. This is where you can edit the menu on your site. You could add new pages to the menu or drag a page to a different order. If you click the tiny arrow, you can change the name of it or completely delete it from the menu. If you want to create a completely new menu, you can click Create a New Menu. If you want to edit the footer, header, and logo of your site, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance in the left side menu and click Customize. To edit the footer, click Footer. You can then click an area in the footer area where you see the pencil icon to start making edits to that section. You can click the X button to remove that area from the footer. To edit the header area of your site, scroll up to the top of the page. If you click into the header area of your site on something, you can make edits. If you want to remove something in the header, just find it here and click the X button to remove it from the header. In this section, you can move things around to change the look of the menu area to get it how you like it. If you click the pencil icon where you see the logo, it'll pull up where you can remove the current logo and add your own logo. I'm going to click the back arrow twice. If you click Site Identity, you can then upload a favicon, which is the site icon for your site. If you click Site Title and Logo Settings, you'll be able to change the site title for your site. You'll see Tagline is where you can change the tagline for your site. I'll click the back button twice. If you click Global, Typography is where you can change the fonts used for your site. Colors is where you can change the colors for your site. Buttons is where you can change the button presets and colors used. Now you know how to access professional pre-made templates, build your WordPress website on GreenGeeks, and customize it easily using the drag and drop Elementor page builder. That wraps up my GreenGeeks WordPress tutorial, your step-by-step guide to creating and designing your website with GreenGeeks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Your feedback helps me make better tutorials for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more GreenGeeks web hosting guides and WordPress tips.